Here walking around, man, you can hear me. I have not put any gun in you.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hey! Police department! Hey, do not come in here!
I'm gonna tell you what, get out! Come out! Radio silence.
Control, hold traffic.
Get more fucking cars.
Okay, we'll get more cars.
Rush.
Come out!
4 cars, 4524 South Holt Road, Rush.
Tommy, come the fuck out! This is not gonna end good, man. Come out. Let her out, and then we'll deal with you. Let her out. Let her out. Go ahead and start SWAT. You got a barricaded subject.
I believe you do not want to see her get hurt. Tommy, it's going to look a whole lot better for you, and you know that if she comes out safely right now.
Still moving! Drop that fucking gun! Drop it! Drop that fucking gun! Alright, get her out! Move out! Move out! Still moving! Drop that fucking gun! Drop it! Drop that fucking gun! Alright, get her out! Move out! Move out!